Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today is another pop can recipe. Yes, the pop can is back. I was so excited to see the stores are now restocked with the pop can crescent rolls and biscuits, because I had plenty more of those recipes to choose from that I wanted to share. And today's recipe is one that you are gonna wanna just forever. This will be one that you will want to do all of the time. This is mini Nutella donuts. Say what? Yes, we are gonna take a can of the flaky biscuits and we are gonna turn them in to Nutella donuts. It's so amazing. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is open our pop can biscuits. Now, if you are like me and this startles you every time, open it up super slowly and watch what you're doing. And then when you get to the end and it hasn't popped yet, you thank your lucky stars. Now, you just hit it on the side of the counter and it pops open in your time, not someone else's time. Ta-da! Now I'm not startled. It happens every time. I actually have a video where I jumped because I was talking to you and not paying attention to what I was doing, and it just popped and I was like, oh, okay, we're good now. Okay, so this is 8 biscuits and this will make 8 times 4. So this will make 32 donuts. Yes, I can do math. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 biscuit. This is a super easy recipe. 1 biscuit, and we are going to flatten this biscuit out into a 6-inch circle. Perfect. Now we're going to take a knife and we are going to cut it into 4 pieces. And now comes the Nutella part. So if you don't like Nutella, you could probably put something else in there like jelly or even peanut butter, but we like Nutella here, so we're gonna use Nutella. I'm gonna take a teaspoon and I am going to put 1 teaspoon of Nutella right in the center of all of these little triangles. And try to be neat about it, because you definitely don't want that Nutella on the outside of the donut, because the Nutella will burn on the outside of the donut. So now we are gonna take each of these little squares and we are going to pull them up like that. So into a little like triangle package. And we're gonna pinch and hope that the Nutella stays in. Ooh, I squished a little bit of it out. That's okay. There's a little out on that edge, but that's okay. Pinch, 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 pinch. Once your edges are all pinched shut, we are going to grab our baking tray here for our air fryer. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to dip my donut in some egg wash. And the egg wash is a little bit of water and a beaten egg. If you have a pastry brush available, definitely use your pastry brush. But as some of you know, most of my stuff is packed right now. So I'm just gonna use my hands, and obviously it works if you use your hands. So now we're just gonna do that for the rest of these donuts. And just continue with all your biscuits until all of your donuts are done. All right, and once you have a tray all ready to go, let's get them in the air fryer. So we're gonna get them in the middle part of the air fryer and we are gonna turn them to custom for 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna start on 8 and then we'll see if we need another couple minutes when it's done. And we're gonna go to 300 degrees. And while that's cooking, I'll continue rolling, and then by the time that's done, maybe I'll be done, and then we'll be able to eat. I told you, super easy. This is an amazing recipe. You really should try it, and after I eat some, you'll really want to try it. Okay. I'll be back in a second when that's done and I'm ready to load up more. Welcome back. They are all done. I am happy to report I have already eaten several of these. Now I wanted to show you when you don't pinch them all the way together, they will open up like this, but they are just as delicious as the others. So to finish off these donuts, we are going to take a little powdered sugar and sprinkle them all over the top. And when you powder sugar them, if you're gonna serve them just like this, no one will even know a couple of them burst open. And then voila, there we have our beautiful donuts. So I'll eat another one. I'll eat one of the ones that popped open. They're so good. That Nutella inside, that creaminess, the crunchy outside with the flaky biscuit. It's not quite a traditional donut, but oh my goodness, it meets the need. When you're hankering for a donut and all you have is a pack of refrigerated biscuits, this will work brilliantly. You might even be able to put some lemon curd inside of them and make like lemon curd filled mini donuts. That would be good. That would be something to try. Might be something I need to try. All right, you guys, did you enjoy that adventure? I know a lot of you have really enjoyed the pop can recipes, so I will continue to do some sporadically over the next couple months or until I'm exhausted all of the recipes, because they are easy and they do have time-saving elements about them. I mean, I got this whole thing done in probably less than 35 minutes with them going into the air fryer as well. So this is a nice treat. You can bring it to, a potluck or whatever else. And if you want to continue to see them, leave me a comment below. Or do you want to see me adventure somewhere else? I'd also like to know that. But until next time, you guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.